Now I'm going to see how to install the Python in your computer. So to install Python, you have to go for the Anaconda website. Okay. So in the Google you search Anaconda download. So this takes you anaconda.com. Okay. In the anaconda.com, you have to find the software Anaconda that contains everything about the Python. This is Anaconda website. From this website, you have to download the Python. There is an option download. When you see here, Anaconda products, pricing, solution, resource, blog, company. So you don't need all these things about. They just to go for the download. It is a free version. So when you go here, you are getting Windows 64-bit, 32-bit. According to your computer, you can choose. I am selecting 64-bit. So it's asking to save. Okay. When you save this button, uh, the Anaconda software will be downloaded in your computer. So now I'll show that I already downloaded it. Now check it here. Anaconda 3 2019 10 Windows 1864. This one. Okay. So now you just click the double click and install as usual. Other software how you will install the same way is a process. You just put the button next. So it is installed very easily in your computer. So after installing, go for the start button. When you install this Anaconda, it will be install the Python and its related notebooks. Okay, all other related things will be installed automatically. So after installing Anaconda, you just type the Jupyter in your search box, the start button. So I got here Jupyter notebook. Now wait a minute. So I got here Jupyter notebook. Click that. So when you click the Jupyter notebook, it will open in one browser. It takes little time. It needs few minutes to start the Jupyter notebook. So this is Jupyter notebook. So whatever the Python related programming, all we do on the Jupyter notebook. Okay. Using Jupyter notebook, we write the code, we execute all the things, which is mostly we will do all the data science related queries and commands that all will be executed in the Jupyter notebook. Here what I am doing is new notebook is in Python 3. I am testing whether my Python is installed properly or not. So now I'm just putting command print. hello. Okay, I'm writing some command, print command, hello for data science. Now I'm executing. Oh, I got my output. This is my output. That means my Python is installed properly. So whenever you want to be learn about the Python, first you have to go for the Anaconda website. From the Anaconda website, you download the Anaconda software. In that Anaconda software, Python and its related all the things will be available. Okay, Jupyter Notebook is a one thing. Whatever the data science commands, everything we will execute in this. Okay,